friend. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone there. So now the first question, Mayur, is how do we proceed first towards communication? So the first thing
Exactly.
that comes to someone's mind when we say communication is having confidence in what you're going to speak. If you do not have
Exactly. Yeah.
confidence, then entirely your entire passage, whatever you're going to speak, will not make sense. And by confidence, I actually mean stage fright, because I get a lot of messages, I get a lot of DMs on almost all my social media platforms where they say that, ma'am, please tell us how do we combat or how do we get away from stage fright. And that is the first
Exactly.
scenario when you want to communicate. अगर आप किसी से डरते हैं बात करने के लिए, you cannot pass on a message. So that's one thing that
Exactly.
we really need to figure out. If you have stage fright, there are a lot of methods, there is a lot of practices that you have to do so that your stage fright is reduced to a minimum level, your confidence is increased. And one thing, Mayur, I would really like to say, I always teach this to my students in college as well, that we are not from asylum. हम पागल खाने से तो है नहीं, right? So whatever we
Right.
speak will make sense. So, those
Right.
people
Right.
who come and say, the new beginners, the new budding communicators, would say that, I'm too scared to speak. What if I'm misunderstood? Why would you be misunderstood? You know what you're
Exactly.
talking. It's a simple language. English, simple language, Hindi, simple language, whatever message, whatever language it is. You just have to be clear. And you have to have that
Exactly.
confidence that whatever you're going to speak will make sense. Please do not ever think कि मैं जो बोलने वाली हूँ मतलब ना सेंस बेस सेंस की बात है. हम पागल इंसान नहीं हैं, हम बेस सेंस की बात कभी नहीं करेंगे. That's the first most thing that as a communicator we all should have that in our mind.
Right. But as you spoke about the confidence thing, look, पता होने के बावजूद भी वो कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप नहीं होते, तो व्हाट शुड बी द माइंडसेट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन बिफोर गोइंग ऑन टू द स्टेज और बिफोर लाइक talking in front of many people?
See, when you have decided that thing that what I'm going to speak will make sense, you have developed at least 25% of your confidence, because you've got confidence within yourself that I'm going to talk sense and people will listen to me. Now, the second thing that you have to develop confidence is basically through practice. You have to talk. By talk, I mean actual talk. Do not have that barrier between yourself. The person is too big, too elderly, maybe professional wise he's holding a very higher or superior position. So what happens if I say this, or what happens if I say that? No, don't say that. When right now, as I'm speaking to you, for me, Mayur, you're a
Yes.
communicator. I am a communicator. I'm not saying I'm a special guest or there's a live session. No. I'm a communicator, you're a communicator, I'm communicating, you're communicating back. जब हम ये प्रोसेस को समझ जाएंगे, बहुत अच्छे से जहन में रखेंगे, our communication becomes way too easier. And confidence now lifts up to 80%, almost 80%.
Exactly.
Because I have involved you. Communication is what? It's not one-sided, right? It's two-sided. So when I've got the cycle completed by myself, then I've got you also in my communication. So my confidence is increased, right? And the other 20% I feel is when I get a response. If you are
Right.
distracted, I'm saying something, you are not at all, confused, you're not at all listening to me, you're distracted, whatever. And I would get demotivated at that point of time. Okay. So,
Right. Right. Right.
abhi ke session mein, this is a one-on-one session. I have a one-on-one communication with you. When I'm talking to thousands of people, hundreds of people, I am definitely not going to cater to one single person in the audience. So what I have to do is I have to have a high level of confidence to make sure that even in those hundreds and thousands of people, everyone is listening to me. Make sure that
Right.
everyone is listening to me. Why? Because I want a response. If I don't get a response, it's a very natural instinct. Hum insan hai, and we will feel bad, we'll get demotivated, and
Yeah.
that hampers our confidence. So these are the little perspectives that we need to cater to. अगर आपके ऑडियंस में आपको दिखे कि सामने वाला पर्सन रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं दे रहा है, make sure that person responds to you. That's the job of an actor.
Right.
That's the job of a communicator.
Obviously, you need to understand what is going through their mind as well, like their
Of
mindset also you
course.
need to understand,
Of course.
and then only you can communicate better with the other person, obviously.
Yes.
Yeah. So I wanted to ask, like, when you started your journey, obviously nobody is a born actor or born speaker. They have to take some efforts, right?
Yeah.
So what were the difficulties you were facing back then, and how you overcome those?
Okay, so I would say, you know, जब मैं छोटी थी बचपन से, you know, my mom would attend my concerts, and then she would get so surprised seeing me. Curtains would roll out, and I'm actually sitting there with a mic, and then she would come up running to me like,
Great.
Anu, what are you doing? What are you gonna say? And I was in an Islamic school, Islamic convent school. So we start with the Surah Fatiha for every concert in Dubai. So I would say, Mama, I'm going to say Surah Fatiha, and she would wonder, like, do you even know? Because I was really very small. So I've always been a communicator. I've always had my teachers and my professors trust on me that they would give me the mic. But
Okay.
even after being a communicator, when it comes naturally to you, you still have a lot of difficulties. I started a decade
Mm-hmm.
back when anchoring was not even considered as a profession. People hardly knew what anchoring was. What is the entire funda about it, you know? And initially, anchoring was taken as something that would be really it would be a delight to the eyes, like the eye candies. So they would, you know,
Right.
generally take up with models, tall people, fair people,
Yeah.
uh, finely built people. You know, that was the entire
Yes. Yes.
perspective of anchoring in those days. You know, abhi anchoring
Yeah.
का phase badal gaya hai. Now people know that communication is something which is very important. But back then
Right.
when
Right.
I started, uh, there were a lot of setbacks. There were a lot of setbacks कि you know, आप लंबी नहीं हैं, आपके बाल curly हैं, or we want a model, we want the anchor to wear glam clothes. You know, she's a little plump, you know, that won't work with the corporate event. You know, these were the criteria that I used to face, you know. And back then I realized, and I really wanted to change this, and I'm so happy, alhamdulillah, that I'm gladly saying that I did change it. I really
Yes.
wanted to
Great.
make this, thank you. I really wanted to make this difference that we are anchors. As in, we are not eye candies. We are anchors. We are meant to
Right. Right.
talk. We are meant to communicate. I am meant to take your show forward. I meant to take your message of what your company or your product wants to be communicated there. I'm the messenger. So it really doesn't matter. Of course, we have to be presentable. I do agree. We need to look the best that we can. I'm not saying that, you know,
Yes.
looks is completely a zero all here. No, no, no. But I'm saying that looks are not just 100 on 100. It's not necessary.
Exactly.
You
Yeah.
know, you have to have that charisma in you. You need to have that charm in you, that confidence in you. And trust you, my your people will listen to you. If you have all these
Yes.
qualities, people are going to listen to you. You know, so ये जो process था, that was a little difficult for me. Of course, then I developed more. I developed my skills with experience. I had my clients. I had a lot of repeated clients who trusted my work. So with that, I continued with my network nationally and internationally also. So, you
Yes.
know, it just happened. But if you're talking about difficulties, this was a difficulty. Even though I was a good
Yeah.
communicator,
Actually.
this was a difficulty.
Yeah.
So
This was
with
not related to actually your communication skills, but that was actually
exactly,
different
exactly,
than what would have imagined. Yeah.
exactly, yeah.
Yeah. What happens many times, anyway, ma'am? So people actually wants to talk, but they get in a dilemma whether I'll be grammatically correct or not, because grammar makes us conscious a bit, right? So how does it matter to be a grammatically correct when you're talking, or it doesn't matter at all?
No, of course it matters. Now we are talking about communication. So अगर मैं बोलूँ कि आप looks पे इतना ध्यान मत दीजिए, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान मत दीजिए, तो मे बी आई एम करेक्ट समवेयर, ठीक है. पर अगर मैं बोलूंगी कि नहीं, आप ग्रामेटिकली आप एरर्स कर रहे फिर भी चलता है, दैट्स रॉन्ग, बिकॉज दैट्स योर जॉब, दैट्स योर पार्ट. कम्युनिकेशन हो तो पूरी तरीके से ढंग से हो. इट शुड बी वेरी क्रिस्टल क्लियर. So you really have to practice there. If you have, I have a lot of students who really struggle with English, who struggle with Hindi also sometimes. They come and ask me, ma'am, what should we do to you brush our skills? There are there are a lot of you know, would say online courses available, a lot of methods and practices. मैं दो तीन practices यहाँ बता दूंगी, you know, जैसे कि how
जरूर
do
जरूर
you,
प्लीज.
yeah, how do you improve your skills of communication is always stand in front of the mirror and talk. आपने एक मूवी देख
Yes.
लिया, मूवी का सीन समझ लिया, Not talk, improvise. A job of an anchor is to improvise. So you stand in front of the mirror, you have the scene in your head, and you're going to improvise. You're going to talk in front of the mirror. While you're talking, make sure you're not distracted by just looking at yourself, because that happens.
Exactly. Yeah, that happens actually.
All right. Once you
Am I
have
looking good or not, or something like that?
एग्जैक्टली और मेरी आंख छोटी लग रही है, मेरे लिप्स सही तरीके से मूव कर रहे हैं, ये साइड बेटर,
Huh.
ये साइड बेटर, you know that we are humans, we tend to do all of that, okay?
Yes,
So when
exactly.
you're
Yeah.
standing in front of the mirror and you're talking, you shouldn't get distracted. You should fall in love with the way you talk. That's again confidence. All right.
Yeah, main
Second
focus should be
is
on talking. Yeah.
exactly, that's where your practice comes. You're fumbling, all right, and you're seeing yourself and you're talking and you're fumbling. You get to know where you're fumbling, right? So you improve
Exactly. Yeah.
on it. Okay? We as humans consider 70% of our visual work. All right. So what we see really goes into our head even more faster. Then second, I would say
Right.
is reading aloud. Take up a magazine, a book, or a newspaper, एक passage ले लीजिए और उसको बहुत जोर से पढ़िए. All right. You have to read aloud. Why reading aloud and why not reading silently? Is because when you're reading, you are hearing what you're saying. And then you would realize, oh, these words are not pronounced the way it has to be pronounced. You would go back to Google search or ask your superior कि ये word सही से pronounce मैंने किया है या नहीं किया है. So you tend to
Right. Right.
amends to your communication. Third step would be, and you can do this even when you're standing in front of the mirror or when you're reading something. The third step would be that you actually record yourself. हम सबके पास
Yeah.
phones है, we can take a voice note and we can record ourselves. Trust me, Mayur, we have a drastic difference when we actually listen to a voice which is recorded. And then even if the best of the best, you would say, oh, I just said so wonderfully fab. And when you listen to the recording, you'll be like, is this me? There's so much of difference.
Happens. Yeah.
Yes. So all these are tested and tried. मैंने ये सब किया है, you know. So
Yes. Yes.
you listen to yourself and then you realize, oh, where am I going wrong? Because now your concentration is only on the voice. All right.
Yes.
And you tend to understand कि grammatical errors कहाँ पे हो रहे, pronunciation कहाँ पे है, vocab मेरी सही है या नहीं है. All right. And fourth, this is a very, very important tip. Now, this tip was basically given by my mother to me. And मेरी mom को सुष्मिता की mom से ये tip मिला था. ठीक है?
Oh, great.
All right. So this is it's a story that goes way long back. All right. So when Sushmita Sen was appearing for Miss Universe in 2000, that time, and she was not well versed with English at that point of time. You know, she was just coping
Okay.
up with the languages. So that time, her mother told her कि whenever you're talking something, make sure you actually finish the entire word. Right. So there's a lot of
Okay.
difference.
Yeah, without jumping on the second word. Yeah.
Exactly. So automatically your pace of talking goes down
Reduces.
without you actually putting any thought into it. All right. And when I'm talking something, for example, if I'm saying, hi everyone, I'm Annie Nourish here, you know, so I'm actually focusing on completing my word. So I will say, hi everyone, I'm Annie Nourish here. So you just saw the difference in the speed
Yeah.
of how I said it, the diction, because अब मैं concentrate कर रही हूँ अपने words को complete करने के लिए, you know. So ये चार चीजें
Right.
हैं,
Right. Right.
अगर आप लगातार and you know constantly अगर आप ये करते जाएंगे, so you will definitely improve in your vocab. You will have a lot of grammatical improvements, and of course, fifth is watch a lot of movies. I'm not saying this because I'm a movie lover. I love watching movies. I binge watch, but watching movies really, really help because it plays on your subconscious mind. All right, and of course, when you watch movies, वहाँ की language तो correct है, उनको scripts मिलते हैं और cuts पे cuts होते हैं और हमें टेंशन की कोई बात नहीं, हमको मालूम है वो जो बोल रहे हैं वो गलत बोल नहीं रहे हैं. Right? So when you listen
Right.
to all of those sentences that the scripts used, television, movies, जो भी हो, and subconsciously it sits on your head, you know what you're talking, then you tend to improve automatically. So watching a lot of movies really help. You know, that's a
Will
saying,
help.
Mayur, ki when you want to learn a new language, watch movies of that language. You get the style, the
Right.
diction, the vocab of it. It's so effective.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we are not talking about anchors only, because there are many people who must be working in a corporate office, or they must be
Mhm.
struggling when it comes to meeting or presentation skills. So when somebody is starting out like a beginner, so उन लोगों ने एक पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज अगर उनको सीखनी है, जैसे कि हिंदी है या फिर इंग्लिश है या फिर जो कोई भी है, तो शुड दे रीड मोर और शुड दे लिसन टू द लैंग्वेज मोर, लाइक व्हाट
Listen,
इज मोर बेनिफिशियल टू देम? Okay,
listen.
listening will help them a lot.
Listening will help them a lot. You listen, then you go and talk also. Experiment.
Okay. So, like, apart from those three, four things which you told, listening is a very, very important thing, because, like, even you are watching a movie, you tend to listen to the movie properly,
Yeah,
and then only you understand, okay, what's going in, right? Okay, what's going in, right?
true.
Okay, so I hope कि सब लोगों को ये चार टिप्स तो बस अभी पता चल ही गई होगी. And can you please repeat in short those
Um,
four uh, things which you
yeah.
mentioned in short, so that people will try to imbibe.
आप उर्दू बोल दीजिए. He'll be impressed. It's a basic mentality that plays out
Yes,
here.
जैसे कि अभी मुझे एक वर्ड याद आ रहा
Recall a scene, your favorite scene, and you enact and you improvise. And don't get distracted by seeing yourself in front of the mirror. Okay?
है. Yes.
Second is read aloud. Anything. Take a passage of whatever language you want to improve in and read aloud. All right? And third,
Yes.
when you're reading or when you're enacting, you record. Don't record yourself. Record what you're speaking. That's where the difference lies. All right. And the fourth
Actually,
is the completing each word of your sentences. If you just remember
right.
that, everything is sorted. Your pace is sorted, your diction is sorted, your pronunciation is sorted. All of that is sorted. And last is, of course, watch a lot of movies, documentaries, content basically of in that particular language. Yeah.
Okay, and I guess our viewers are liking this. They are saying beneficial for us as well.
Yes.
So listen, yes. So yes, they are very grateful to you, obviously, because everybody, obviously, like I said, everybody
Are not, my audience are well versed with a simpler language.
very difficult to get to know how the path towards a good communicator like goes.
Of course,
So
of course.
these tips are very, very important for anyone who is starting out or who is like having that stage fright, and they can now like stand in front of the mirror, and that will give them confidence as well, like okay, मैं अभी खुद से बात करते करते धीरे धीरे कॉन्फिडेंट हो ही जाऊंगा कि मुझे ये बात या फिर ये लैंग्वेज बोलने में मुझे अभी आसानी आ रही है.
So
जैसे कि आई फील
yeah,
काइंड ऑफ नर्वस व्हेन आई ट्राई टू स्पीक इन हिंदी,
yeah.
तो वो हो जाता है मेरे साथ अपने आप. तो आई ट्राई टू नॉट स्पीक इन हिंदी मच, क्योंकि सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में थोड़ा सा बैठ गया. सो आई एम ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू लाइक यूज दीज थिंग्स, एंड आई हैव लाइक आस्क्ड दीज थिंग्स previously as well. आपसे मैंने पूछा था कि मैं क्या करूँ इस बारे में, और
Watch
you
for
had given the same.
those who want to learn Hindi, watch a lot of
Yeah.
Urdu content. We have a lot of
Okay.
Urdu content available online. Watch all of them, because the word, of course, the diction of Urdu and the essence of that language is very, very nice. And I guess every one of us are equally involved in it. अब हम शुद्ध हिंदी संस्कृत से जो रूट्स आए हैं वो तो हम डेली लाइफ में यूसेज तो नहीं करते उसका. So Urdu is a
नहीं
very
हाँ.
beautiful language, first of all, and a lot of content is available. So अगर, for example, you're very new to Hindi, okay, and there's a client, even in a corporate industry or as if you're doing an
Right, right.
event, and there's a client and you want to really impress that client with your Hindi, आप उर्दू बोल दीजिए, he'll be impressed. It's a basic mentality that plays out
यस
here.
जैसे कि अभी मुझे एक वर्ड याद आ रहा है, जैसे मैंने एक बार सुना था कि ये बात मेरे जहन में आ गई, तो आई वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद दैट वर्ड एक्चुअली. And my second question is, my next question is based upon that only. When we try to impress someone, we tend to use very heavy words, like we try to become the Shashi Tharoors of New Age. But as, but we are advised, like a public speaker or anybody who wants to convey our message to the other person, they have been advised to use the simple words so that you will be conveying the message more properly and more appropriately, right? So, like at one time you are being asked to like increase your vocabulary, and at the second time you are asked to not use very difficult and harsh words as well, right?
Okay.
So, उसके
So
तरफ आप कैसे देखते हो?
okay. So now, Mayur, as far as I know, you do not know Urdu, right?
No,
Not
I
very
don't know. I
well.
don't. Yeah,
But you understood when I said Zehen.
yeah.
हो गया. You should know where to use what words. Who is my audience? Is my
Okay.
audience well versed in that particular language, or are they not?
Mm-hmm.
If I feel my audience are not, my audience are well versed with a simpler language, I will use simpler words, जैसे ज़हन हो गया, you know, normal words,
Mm-hmm.
जो सबके समझ में आए. But if I know if the person is very well versed, if I'm hosting a mushaira, if I'm hosting a shairi or an Urdu event, then I have to use words like istiqbal and stuffs like that. जो एक normal mundane इंसान नहीं समझ पाएगा, but those people will understand. Right? So
Right.
this is actually where your mind has to play. You have to use your brains कि आपको क्या किसके सामने बात करना है. ठीक है. That's one
Right.
thing
Right. Right.
you have to be careful of.
Okay. So there is a friend of mine who is asking us a question. So he's saying thought process is in Marathi and want to speak in English. It takes some time to translate from Marathi to English. How to reduce that time? So what will you suggest him?
Follow those tips. Completely follow those tips. It's only about practice. If you are practicing all those 4 tips, it becomes easier. You won't even recognize that you are understanding and
Exactly.
converting
Exactly.
Marathi into English. It'll be so natural to you. Simple.
Yes, and in the meantime, people who are actually viewing us live, you can pitch in your questions so that Animem will answer those after this session or at the end of this session. So you can just pitch in your questions. She'll be more than happy to answer you, obviously, because she is a dedicated teacher as well. She has taught me many things as well when I used to go with her for the events. Just by looking at her, just by like looking how she is working, उस सबसे मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखना मिला, एंड आई विल बी वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर एवर. क्योंकि अगर वो बातें वहां पे नहीं सीखने मिलती तो आई डोंट नो मैं ये भी शुरू कर पाता या नहीं. तो दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, दैट सम थिंग्स व्हिच आई गॉट टू लर्न देयर मैटर अ लॉट फॉर मी, एंड दोस विल मैटर फॉर एवर. या okay, Shubhu is saying thank you, and he must be happy with the reply. Okay, so guys, as I said, you can pitch in your questions as well. We have, how important is eye contact? Yes.
All right. When you're communicating one-on-one, eye contact is very important. Okay, because you have to show the person that the person who's right in front of you is very important to you, and that is why you're talking. If I am not showing interest in you, listen carefully, if I am not showing interest in you, why would you be interested back in me? Right? And then my communication cycle breaks. So I have to start from myself. I have to show interest in you, give you my eye contact, and talk. All right. But if you are talking about communicating with a lot of people, a bunch of people, all right. So if I'm giving an example of 10 people in a boardroom, okay, we are doing a presentation in a corporate company, and there are 10 people in the boardroom. I would suggest that you actually make an eye contact with everyone there. Literally everyone. You have a lot of time to do that because you're doing a presentation. Obviously, आपका presentation 3 या 5 मिनट में खत्म नहीं होने वाला है. You have a lot of ample amount of time, and you are then doing an eye contact with everyone. Well, what if you're hosting a crowd of 100? Obviously, what are you going to do?
Then it is not.
Yeah. So you, in your head, you divide the audience into 4 parts. This is a very imaginary concept. You divide your audience into 4 parts. Right, the left side, the right side, a little up front, the back front, and you pick at least 2 to 3 people from each group and make an eye contact with them. That's it. It's sorted. So for an example, if a group of people are seated around to my right hand side, okay, and there are like around 50 50 to 60 people on the right hand side. But उस 50 to 60 people की crowd में से मैंने 3 या 4 लोगों से मैंने eye contact बना लिया है, तो बाकी के लोगों को लगेगा कि oh, the anchor is actually making an eye contact.
Actually, yeah.
Eye contact with that person. I better listen to her. Maybe I might be the next person to make an eye contact. All right. So
yeah, and this used to happen during our school days as well, right?
Exactly. This is what teachers do. This is what teachers do while they teach. Who are teachers? They're communicators. They are communicating something, right? So it's
obviously, yes.
You actually divide an imaginary border of your audience, and you do make an eye contact. That's extremely, very, very important. Yeah.
Yes, thanks a lot. And our people are saying, like our viewers are saying, session is very helpful. Obviously, it is helpful because not only anchors, not only public speakers, but whoever, like, जिस भी फील्ड में आप काम कर रहे हो, आपको कभी
everyone is a communicator.
आपका मीटिंग है, आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन है, कहीं ना कहीं पे तो ऐसा वक्त आ ही जाता है कि you have to speak in front of like 5, 10 or 15 people, maybe for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes. So everybody should be a good communicator at the end of the day.
No profession or no business where there's no communication. Tell me one profession in this entire world where there's no communication, absolute zero communication. No. Communication is really everywhere.
Yes, and without that we won't survive as well, because आप अगर किसी से बात करने के लिए वो तो हो जाएगा, जैसे कि वो like कहीं पे जेल में रख दिया और आपको कभी अभी किसी से बात ही करने को ना मिल जाएगी. तो even we are able to communicate with everyone nowadays, but just asked to sit back at our homes, we are feeling like we are in a jail, right? In our own homes. So think of that when we'll not get to even speak with anyone.
We're still communicating. We humans still come up with communication ideas and platforms. I guess I got a question there. I forget my script, then what should I do?
Okay.
All right. This is so very important. All right. I have also forgotten my scripts. Trust me. I have.
Same with me.
All right. I'm a human. So it's not necessary that, जितने भी बड़े anchors हो या जितने भी experienced anchors हो, वो अपने scripts याद नहीं रख याद रखते हैं और भूलते नहीं हैं. जी बिल्कुल ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. हम भी इंसान हैं और लाइव इवेंट्स में स्पेशली बहुत सारी चीजें होती रहती हैं आपके इर्द गिर्द. There's so many things happening. You are definitely getting distracted, back of the mind. So sometimes you do forget your scripts. What do you do when you forget your script? Improvise. Very important. You have to improvise. This is where the smartness, the spontaneity, and the wittiness of an anchor comes from. How spontaneous you are, how fast you are, okay, and how quick you are. Because if you've forgotten your script, you're not going to stand idle, right?
Right.
For example, I'll just tell you what happened. Mere saath, I'll give you an on-hand experience kind of a thing. So
sure.
I kept my scripts on the podium. All right. And I have a very different method of memorizing. Other people would be having different methods of memorizing. So I remember through pointers. मैंने pointers याद कर लिया तो मुझे sentences याद रह जाते हैं, ठीक है? So my scripts are kept on the podium and I'm actually mid-stage and I'm talking and I forget what's my next pointer. All right. And when you forget the next point, I want to go back to the podium to see my script. मुझे सिर्फ एक वर्ड देखना है स्क्रिप्ट में से, फिर मुझे याद आ जाएगा. पर वो जो डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम माय मिड स्टेज टू माय पोडियम, I have to keep talking. So what will I do? What will I say? For an example, मैं कुछ भूल गई and I've realized that I've forgotten. Now remember one thing. You know that you're forgotten. Not the person who's there knows that you're forgotten.
Obviously, and they shouldn't be doing as well.
Know your script, of course. So you can play with that. That's the best thing that can happen. You can play with it. So you will be like, all right, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और मुझे बहुत सारे लोग excited दिख रहे हैं, हालांकि वो excited हो या ना हो. You're still talking because I'm buying time. So many people are excited. Ma'am, you're wearing such a beautiful dress. What are you wearing? Which label is that? ये बोलते मैं अपने podium तक पहुंच गई. And then I see the script, I take the pointer and I continue.
Yeah, and nobody would get to know that, okay, she has forgotten her script.
Yeah, no one would get to know I forgot the script. And plus people would be really nice because I'm appreciating the audience, interaction ho raha hai, I complimented a lady, So here where you learn improvisation. So don't be scared if you've forgotten the script. Don't be scared. Just be prepared.
And the same goes with
in the moment.
Yeah, and the same goes with corporate presentations as well. Like if you are stuck at a point, आप लोग बस टाइम बाय कर सकते हो वहां पे, 2-5 सेकंड आपको मिल गए, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आ जाएगी, यू कैन कंटिन्यू विद द सेम अगेन. या सो दिस
Correct.
इज नॉट ओनली फॉर एंकर्स और लाइक फॉर पब्लिक स्पीकर्स. एक्चुअली वी हैव दिस सेशन फॉर एवरीवन जिनको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का और या फिर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल डेवलप करने का कुछ ना कुछ एक चांस चाहिए या फिर उनको सीखना चाहिए.
You
तो
know,
दिस इज
one
नॉट
thing,
ओनली फॉर पीपल लाइक अस. या
one thing I'll add here, अब आप ज्यादा टाइम ना लगाए. When I'm saying improvisation, आप ज्यादा टाइम ना लगाए, आप ज्यादा बातें ना कर दे, ठीक है, आप ज्यादा पेप टॉक आप बीच में ना कर दे, you know, because then what happens is your entire circle of concentration or focus is lost. ठीक है, people tend to lose interest
राइट
because you entirely jumped from one tangent to another tangent. All right.
राइट.
So just keep it like very quick. You know, you really have to practice this. And this happens when you are actually having the presence of mind. Supposingly आप presentation दे रहे हैं, आपको अपना presentation research R&D study करना ही है, ताकि अगर ये घटना आपके साथ अगर
हो जाती है.
you
राइट.
know, if this happens with you, you're well prepared to pass it on. You know, you can bring on some
Yes.
statistics from your memory or from your back project and bring it on. All right. Even for anchors, in the anchoring industry, you need to be well versed with the company, what the event is about, who my audience
Right.
is. You know, all these R&D should be done, so that when I need to do this, you know, error, I need to fill up this error, I'm
Yes.
not actually, you know, I'm not actually shaken up. I'm taking it very smooth. और मैं वही कंपनी के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, मैं वही इवेंट के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, वही ऑडियंस के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. तो क्या है, हम आउट ऑफ द टॉपिक जाते नहीं, we're not out of the topic, you know. So
Right.
it's a very thin line, but you have to do it very carefully. Yeah.
Yeah, and
In
very
other
intelligently.
moments,
Yeah, obviously.
I would also say one more thing. Supposedly it's a major forget. I mean, you have really forgotten. Okay, you don't have the script also. Maybe you don't have the pointers next to you. You have completely blanked out. You know, certain scenarios to be in that way. All right. It's okay. Admit at that point of time. All right. We are humans. Rather than being
Right.
blank and being a fool on the
Yeah.
stage, you at least admit,
Right.
okay, fine. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I guess I've forgotten something. Let me get back to it. और ये जो 2-3 सेंटेंस मैंने बोला है, उसमें try to recall. All right.
Right,
But
and
then
you get the time as well. Yes.
exactly, there's no wrong in admitting it. All right. I was
Yes.
watching.
Exactly.
I was watching. My role model is Geetika Ganjudhar. I guess you know most
Oh,
of the
she's
actors
great.
would,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah.
Obviously.
So you know, I was once watching her video on YouTube. Okay, and she was talking and she called out for a break. All right, and probably in the show flow, it must have changed. The break was then skipped. All right.
Okay.
So she, in her enthusiasm, called out for the break, but then she was in a flow. So when you're being interrupted,
Okay.
किसी ने पीछे से आके interrupt किया है और वो अपने flow में थी, तो किसी ने उनको आके interrupt किया कि मैम break नहीं है, मैम ये session है, break अभी इसके बाद है. Okay, so it's very natural. Please, people, do not take this as a demotivation for yourself. If this happens with you, it's very natural that you forget, you go blank for a second. All right.
Right.
As I said, we all know how
Yes.
experienced Geetika ma'am is. All right. But that happened with
Very
her as well.
yeah.
It's learning experience. So she was shaken up from her flow and she forgot. And now when she forgot, her action was like, oh, okay. What was I saying? Tell me. What did I say? What did I miss? So you ask. You be a part of that crowd. You be a part of that audience. You know, that was something which I really liked about her because she beautifully handled it. All right.
Yeah, actually,
So-
this is kind of crisis management.
Yeah.
And our job is like that only, right?
Exactly. So you need to have different ways of this crisis management. You know, how do I do it? Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So there is another question to you. So Abhishek is asking how to switch languages, like when you are talking in English or when you are talking in Hindi, and you need to like switch from one language to another. Like RJs do most often not, right? So how do you switch that and that too very like smoothly?
Okay, switching languages, just remember one rule. Okay, it's no hard and fast here. Just one rule, Mayur here. आप जो भी sentence बात कर रहे हैं, you will not mix the language. You will complete the sentence. So, for example, I'm saying,
Okay.
मेरा नाम Annie Nourish है. One sentence. मैं मुंबई की हूँ. Second sentence. I am an anchor. is a third sentence. All right?
Mhm.
I'm not going to mix English and Hindi or make it Hinglish in just one sentence.
In a particular sentence, yeah.
Yeah, you know, I would not say कि
Yes.
मेरा नाम Annie and I stay in Mumbai. No, and is a
Oh,
conjunction.
yeah.
So I'm saying मेरा
Exactly.
नाम
Yeah.
Annie Norishe and I stay in Mumbai. That's wrong. That's wrong.
Okay, you need to
Can.
like finish your sentence first, your particular sentence first in a particular language, like
Correct.
whichever language you might be talking, whether it is
Yes.
English, it is Hindi, it is Marathi, or any language.
Yes.
First, complete that sentence, and then only you can jump onto your next language and
Yes.
your next sentence as well.
Absolutely.
So that's great. And I'm just seeing if we have some more questions from the audience because, like, instead of me asking many questions to you, I have asked personally many questions to you as well. But why we have planned today's session because we wanted our viewers to like answer their questions as well.
Yeah.
So, guys, if you have any more questions, you can just pitch in your questions because priority is will be given to you first, obviously, because this session is for all of those people who wants to like develop their communication skill and who really wants to like learn how to talk. So
Of course, very important.
you can pitch in your questions. In the meantime, I have some questions as well, but I'll just wait for a moment or two to see whether our viewers have any questions to ask to. Otherwise, I'll go ahead with my question. Yeah. So Samir, Atif, all have joined.
Yes, I can see a lot of friends of mine.
Okay, so Arundhati is asking you how do you expand your personal network? Yeah, great question.
Wow, wow. How do I extend or expand my personal network? Very important. Definitely social media. Okay, definitely social
Yes.
media. I will just say one thing here. You have to make your network be triggered by your presence. Okay.
Right. Yes,
How
yes,
do you,
yes.
what example do you want me to give me you? Do you want me to speak as per se as an anchor in the event industry or as a communicator in a corporate? What do you want me to use as?
No, let's talk about in general communicator in a corporate thing because we are
Okay.
not arranging this for only anchors, right?
All right. So for an example, you're
Yeah.
in a company, okay, and you have to present, all right, and in that presentation, just a moment, yeah, and in that presentation, there are many people who can give a good presentation, right? So what
Right.
happens
Right.
here is you're having a competition, all right? You're having a competition here, all right? And trust me, we are moving so fast. We have a lot of other things to take care of. There's a lot of headache of work, piling up of work, you know. जो सामने
Right.
रहता
Right.
है, जैसे आपने ये फ्रेज सुना होगा, जो सामने रहता है, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. It's a very
Yes. जो
popular
दिखता है वो
phrase,
दिखता है. Right.
right? So जो
Right.
सामने रहेगा उसको काम मिलेगा. जो सामने सामने दिखेगा, जो सामने सामने मेरे नजरों पे होगा, जो मुझे लग रहा है, दिख रहा है कि ये बंदा काम कर रहा है, ये बंदे में वो टैलेंट है, ये बंदे में कैपेसिटी है. I will not waste a second not giving him the work or do trials here.
Yes.
No. So you have to be, doing that trigger button. You have to keep pressing the trigger button wherever, in whichever industry you are. And how do you do that? By
Right.
being present, by being there.
Right.
You know, Mayur, I guess when initially you had started, right? Very एकदम
Yeah.
start की बात है, मुझे याद आया अभी. And you were working also, and
Yeah.
you wanted to be an anchor as well. So you were like, how do
Yes.
I tell people that I have this talent of being an anchor? Because I'm working.
Right. Right. Right.
And
Right.
I told you that take social media as a platform and
Yes.
keep
Yes. I do
doing
remember that.
stuffs,
Yeah.
keep doing stuffs that tell your people that you are an anchor. In your company,
Yes.
if there's any event, small get together in a cafeteria also of your company, take up the mic and host. So that tomorrow,
Yes.
Your seniors would be like, oh, we need an anchor. We want someone to host this presentation. Oh, Mayur was there. He hosted that in that cafeteria. Let's call it.
Exactly. Exactly.
I guess that must have happened with you.
Yeah.
For sure. Did it
Obviously.
happen?
Yeah.
Okay.
It did happen. Yes.
Yes, because it has happened with me. It has happened with me,
Yeah.
I've
Happens with everybody actually.
Yeah. So you have to be there. And by developing
Right.
network is again social media, being in connection. I am not saying that, oh, go do party, hangouts and stuff. Zarurat nahi hai. That's a personal choice. That's a personal wish. Okay, if you're not
Mm-hmm.
comfortable, as I'm not a party person, okay, but still I've managed
Yeah.
to keep my network intact. I have my old clients. Why? Because I keep communicating with them. I keep sending them broadcast messages. I keep sending them my creatives, my posters, what work I'm doing. I keep reminding them that I, as an anchor, exist, so that in future, if you have an event, you can definitely approach me. So you have to keep pressing the trigger button. That's it.
Yes, exactly. You need to make your presence felt to each and everyone out there. Yeah, that's the baseline actually, right?
Absolutely.
So we have another question as well from our viewer. But before we jumping on to our next question, I just want to see. Okay, we have another hardly 4 minutes because what happens if we complete our 1 hour on Instagram, now, then the video automatically abruptly shuts down and it
Okay.
doesn't get saved as well. So we'll take another last question and then we'll
Yeah.
have to call it off.
Yeah.
And I'm sure people must have enjoyed this session a lot and they must have got to know many things, how to start developing their communication skills and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let us tell us about sentence forming is what Nitish is saying. Sometimes we tend to run out of vocab and we don't find word. Okay, so this is interesting question. Sometimes we tend to run out of vocab and we don't find word for something. At that time, how should we change language? And let's keep it short and even because we have very little time in hand. Yeah.
You have to follow those tips that I told you. Read, listen, watch. That's it. You are then filling up your mind with a lot of vocab, with a lot of conjunctures, with a lot of synonyms, with a lot of words. All right. And don't change
Yes, yes,
language.
yes.
Don't change language. All right. Complete your sentences and then go to another language. All right. Just you have to do a
Okay.
lot of
Yeah.
practice with that.
Obviously, those four things which Animam had mentioned in the session, वो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है अगर वो चार बातें समझ में आ गई तो यू कैन बी अ वेरी वेल
It's easy.
कम्युनिकेटर.
Yeah. It's easy.
Yeah, so anyway, we'll have to like stop here because we had almost completed our 1 hour and we actually हम
Did
लोगों को
I
पता ही नहीं चल गया कि
realize
एक
1 hour
आर.
just went by?
Yeah, exactly. So that is how it goes whenever we talk with you. और आई गेस आर व्यूअर्स को भी बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आ गया. सब लोग थम्स अप वगैरह दे रहे हैं. एक्सप्लोर योरसेल्फ.
Thank
ओके,
you.
thanks
Thank
to both of
you.
you. Thank you, Abhishek. So thanks a lot, Annie ma'am, for joining. We will try to get back you on my Instagram live again someday later.
Sure.
But that's all for today's session, and I'm very, very grateful to you. And people, let me tell this again to all of you. When I was starting out with my this journey, whatever I am, like a small person, she has helped me a lot. She
Thank you
used to
so much.
take me with her events as well. She had given me so many important suggestions as well, like some tips. And she is the one person whom I look up to. और जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत बहुत हेल्प की when I was starting out. Yeah, thanks a
Just
lot, Anima.
remember me in your prayers. That's it.
Yeah, sure. दुआ में याद रखना is what
Thank
we
you.
say in Hindi, right?
Yeah,
Thanks
dua
a
mein
lot for
yaad.
joining and